Hello guys, I'm back again with an unboxing review of this Nokia device. It's a Nokia 1 phone with Android Go. It's not Android 1 but Android Go. I just bought it yesterday from the electronics market in Karachi, and I got it for around 7500 rupees. But now the prices have gone slightly higher due to the dollar prices, and on the Advance Telecom website it is shown it's marketed to be of around 9000 rupees, 8999. So uh, I think I got a bargain for it, and it is how it comes. It was in the plastic wrapping all over, but I opened it to check the mobile phone at the shop and used it for a day, and now I have packed it again to unbox for you guys. Here are some of the features of this phone. It's Android 8.1 Oreo Go Edition, 4.5-inch FWVGA display, 1 GB of RAM with 8 GB of storage, and this thing was pretty low, but the thing I found is that you can use the memory card as internal memory. So if you put a higher storage memory card in it, you can use it as the internal memory, and it's good in that it has a 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, 2 megapixel front camera, and exchangeable covers. I got it black covered, blue color, dark blue, not the red one. So let's unbox it. This is how it comes. Pretty basic boxing for the phone nowadays. This is the phone. Here's the phone. Pretty lightweight, but it's battery free at the moment, so it's pretty lightweight. You can see that the color is nice, the finishing is nice, the Nokia branding, the LED flash and the camera. Here's the speaker grill. This is the power up button, volume rocker, the audio jack, 3.5-inch. Here's the charger port, maybe you can see it. Here's the microphone, pretty basic stuff. Here's the camera. I put on a screen protector, a tempered glass protector on it, so here it is. What's other things in the box? Warranty card, user manual, again the user manual, paperwork and stuff. Nothing unusual. What else? The charger brick, basic. It comes with the Nokia, and the one great thing about it that when Microsoft was using its brand, Nokia brand, or they were coming as Microsoft Lumias, they were putting a non-replaceable data cable, the cable which couldn't be used as the data cable, but now it's separate. Here it is, the data cable. Here is the headphones, and there's the battery. Pretty neat boxing. Everything has its own compartment. Pretty nice. I have all these because I have another Nokia phone, so I didn't open these. I don't need this. Last month I bought a Nokia 6 didn't do the unboxing of it or review of it. If you guys want, I can do that, but I urgently needed a phone, so I just bought it and I start using it. If you want a review of Nokia 6, then I can do it also. So here it is, the battery. One thing that was missing is this. It's mentioned that you get a free mobile internet with long 4G, but it wasn't included in the box. And I don't have long connection, so I don't need it. But it wasn't in the phone, so it wasn't in the box. So it was a shortcoming. Here's the battery. It's a standard battery. BV5V2150 milliamperes, and the battery timing of this phone is pretty good. Yesterday it came at 10%, I guess 10 to 15%. When I get home, I charge it to around 40%. Quite a few updates were already available for the phone. Did all the updates on that 40 to 50% charge. In the morning, the charge was around. Let me put in the battery and get back to you guys. Okay. Here's the inside compartment of the phone. I've already put in the SIMs and the memory card. Here are the two SIM slots. It's the memory card. It takes micro SIM card. And as I was saying, the battery duration of this phone is quite good. In the morning, I charged it to around 84% and used it a full day. It was Wi-Fi was on all the time, and I did around 1 hour of internet calls, around 1 hour of calls over the phone, and still let's see how much the charge remains. Powered by Android Go edition. I'm not doing the whole review of the device right now, just the basic stuff. And if you want me to do a review of the device also, how it works, how it functions, it's a pretty good device. Used it over day, and as you can listen, the volume is also good. There it is. You can use it for internal memory and for as a replaceable storage. So I'm using it as an external storage, not internal memory. I'll buy a bigger memory card to be used as a internal memory. Two SIMs, Bluetooth is on, Wi-Fi, everything is on, and still it's 56% charge remaining. So you can see, pretty nice device, pretty basic but pretty good. It's fast but not as fast as the higher end models. It's a Go edition device, YouTube Go, everything is on the go. Maps Go, but I have installed the standard version of YouTube also. Facebook, I have installed the standard version, not Lite. Messenger is Lite. Other standard things, nothing extra junk softwares. It's Android all the way, pure Android Go, and it's a good device. So if you want me to make a review about it, about how the functions of the phone are, put it in the comment below. I'll do that. But it's a good device. If you buy it, if you're on budget and you buy this device, you will not be wrong. There's no device in the market at this price point with a 1 year warranty and with this many functions and brand like this. So thank you, and keep me posted about how you like my videos. See you guys later. Thank you.